Hi guys, we're in farmer's market. Line starts here. Let's go around fresh from our farm to your table. Look at all of those yummy fruit and vegetables. They look tasty, but my favorite ones are the watermelons. Oh, lady fingers. Look at all these raw peanuts. I love them when they're boiled because they are fresh and yummy. Small brinjals. Indian eggplant, $1.50 per pound. Chinese eggplant, they are huge. Oh, tiny watermelons. Broccoli, I love them when they're boiled. Big cauliflower. Big carrots. Green beans. Look at all these different corns in the corn shop. They're all super yummy. I love to eat popcorn.
How many? Just one?
Look at all these different kinds of honey. Some of them I like and some of them I don't like.
This one tastes like molasses. This is one of the two dark ones that I have. But this flower is used in homeopathic remedies to help with the immune system. So then the honey coming from that same one flower will theoretically also help with the immune system. So this one, because each jar has a picture of the flower. So this flower, when the bee is only getting that pollen, the flavor comes out like a marshmallow. It's not that it's sweeter, we don't add anything, it's just that that pollen is the only one in there, and that's why it comes out with that flavor, like a marshmallow. Is actually, I prefer the poison oak. It's the other dark one. These two are dark, this one is darker, and this one is actually a lot stronger flavor. I don't know if you've ever had it, but this one is just a variety of all different flowers. So this one is, the hives are a couple of blocks away, and it's gonna help with allergies. It's a little bit lighter, so it's a pretty good taste. Not my favorite, but